A recent social media moment has sparked a major debate between fans of two of Bollywood's biggest stars, Priyanka Chopra and Deepika Padukone. Priyanka Chopra recently liked an Instagram reel that quickly went viral. The reel compared her work ethic to that of Deepika Padukone, praising Priyanka while taking a clear dig at Deepika. In the video, a content creator called Priyanka a true global star and highlighted her recent Mumbai visit. According to him, Priyanka flew into the city for a very short time, completed multiple shoots, and returned to the US within hours. The creator says, प्रियंका ने दिखा दिया डेडिकेशन किसे कहते हैं, ना कोई जेट लैग का बहाना, ना कोई नखरा, वो आई, सबसे पहले SS राजामौली का शूट निपटाया, उसके बाद कपिल शर्मा का शूट निपटाया और वापस US निकल गई, इसे कहते हैं असली प्रोफेशनलिज्म। अब तुम ही बताओ, क्या आज की एक्ट्रेसेस प्रियंका जैसा दम रखती है? Priyanka's like on the reel didn't go unnoticed. While many fans praised her dedication and international career, others felt the comparison was unnecessary and unfair to Deepika. Deepika Padukone, who welcomed her daughter Dua with Ranveer Singh on 8 September 2024, reportedly requested 8-hour work shifts. When the makers of Spirit and the Kalki 2898 AD sequel couldn't meet this condition, she decided to step away from the projects. Reacting to the controversy, Deepika addressed the issue without naming any film. She pointed out the double standards in the industry and said, by virtue of being a woman, if that's coming across as pushy or whatever, then so be it. But it is no secret that a lot of superstars, male superstars, in the Indian film industry have been working for 8 hours for years and it's never made headlines. The debate continues, is this about professionalism, personal choice, or industry double standards? Social media, as always, is divided. Bollywood fans, get ready. Dhurandhar 2 The Revenge is all set to hit theatres on 19th March 2026, and the buzz around this Aditya Dhar directed spy drama is already sky high. After the massive success of the first installment, expectations are huge. And now, an exciting new development has made fans even more eager. Vicky Kaushal will be seen playing a crucial role in the sequel. According to reports, Vicky will reprise his Uri, the surgical strike character, Major Vihan Shergill, in Dhurandhar 2. Interestingly, the actor had already shot his scenes before the release of the first film. The filmmaker has remained tight-lipped about this unexpected cameo, keeping fans guessing. A source revealed to a media house, Aditya has been tight-lipped about the star power he is adding to Dhurandhar 2. The director, who plans to build the Dhurandhar universe, has smartly woven in a track from Uri despite the difference in the two stories' timelines. Vicky's character from the war drama, which is set in 2016, is introduced in this film, although it remains unclear whether he and Ranveer's character cross paths. The cameo includes a few action blocks. The source added, Vicky is one of Aditya's favorite actors. The director was only too happy to design sequences that laid the foundation for a spin-off in the future. For context, Vicky was supposed to feature in Aditya Dhar's The Immortal Ashwathama after Uri, but the film got shelved due to its high budget. So seeing him in Dhurandhar 2 is sure to be a treat for fans. The film will also see Sanjay Dutt, R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal, Sara Arjun, and others in key roles. Dhurandhar 2 is all set to clash with Yash's Toxic, a fairy tale for grown-ups at the box office on 19th March. The teaser for Dhurandhar 2 has already received clearance from the CBFC with an A certificate and is expected to release soon, giving fans their first glimpse of the action-packed sequel. With Vicky Kaushal's surprise cameo, Ranveer Singh's return, and a star-studded cast, Dhurandhar 2 The Revenge promises to be a thrilling ride for audiences this March. Bollywood fans remember Rimi Sen, the actress who entertained us in hits like Golmaal Fun Unlimited, Hangama, and Dhoom 2 is back in the limelight, but for a completely different reason. Rimi, who has been away from showbiz for years, has reportedly quit acting and is now working as a full-time real estate agent in Dubai. But it's not just her career shift that's grabbing attention. Her look in a recent video has left fans stunned. In the viral interview, Rimi Sen looks almost unrecognizable. Her lips appear fuller, her skin smoother, and her overall appearance has changed dramatically compared to her Bollywood days. Many fans couldn't help but comment on the transformation, saying she looks like a completely new person while confidently handling her real estate work. After quitting Bollywood, Rimi moved to Dubai to explore opportunities in the booming real estate market. With many Indian celebrities already investing in properties in Dubai and other Gulf countries, it's a promising industry for newcomers like her. In a video posted by the property management company, Rimi explained why she chose this new career. She said, "Dubai is very welcoming, which is why 95% of the population here consists of expatriates, while the rest are Emiratis. Dubai has welcomed everyone warmly. There are mosques here, and there are temples too. They think about everyone, and the city's major focus is on how to make people's lives better, easier, and more comfortable." She also highlighted how Dubai's business environment differs from India. This is something we don't really see in our country, because the government keeps changing policies overnight, making people's lives more difficult. There are thousands of taxes and endless complications, and it is no longer a business-friendly nation. The real estate market here functions smoothly because there is discipline. You have to work only with agents and agencies. Developers do their work, agencies do their part, and there is a proper system in place. From Bollywood stardom to Dubai real estate, Rimi Sen's transformation, both in career and look, has left fans amazed. Her journey shows how reinvention can open new doors, proving that change can sometimes be beautiful, bold, and inspiring. Her last film, Budhia Singh Born to Run, released in 2016, even won the National Award for Best Children's Film, marking the end of one chapter and the start of a completely new one. In a dramatic turn in the Kapoor family inheritance saga, late industrialist Sanjay Kapoor's mother, 80-year-old Rani Kapoor, has filed a fresh suit in the Delhi High Court. She alleges that Priya Kapoor manipulated her son into committing fraud, adding another layer to the ongoing legal battle over Sanjay's estate. This dispute is part of a wider inheritance conflict between Priya, Sanjay's third wife, and Karishma Kapoor's children over the industrialist's massive Rs 30,000 crore estate. The new petition specifically challenges the validity of the Rani Kapoor family trust. Rani claims that the trust was fraudulently created in her name but was used to divert control of valuable assets. She accused Priya of being the chief mastermind behind the alleged conspiracy. Rani Kapoor further alleged that Priya acted quickly to gain control of Sona Group and other Kapoor holdings during the 13-day mourning period following her son's death. In her suit, she has sought a permanent order preventing Priya and others from acting on behalf of the trust or using any of its assets. She has also asked the court to declare the trust fraudulent and invalid. For context, Sanjay Kapoor, former chairman of auto parts maker Sona Comstar, passed away in June 2025 at the age of 53 due to cardiac arrest during a polo match. Sanjay's children with Karishma Kapoor, Samaira and Kian, have already challenged a will that reportedly leaves most of his personal estate to Priya and her children, excluding them and other close relatives. They claim the will may have been forged. Rani Kapoor has also stepped into the dispute, claiming that Priya's actions left her dispossessed from her own family assets. She added that she was not informed about the will until after Sanjay's death, supporting Karishma's children's concerns about its authenticity. The industrialist's mother has even raised questions about the circumstances of her son's untimely death, describing it as suspicious and unexplained. With this fresh legal filing, the high-stakes battle over Sanjay Kapoor's ₹30,000 crore estate is far from over. The Delhi High Court will now examine these serious allegations, keeping the spotlight firmly on the ongoing family feud. Bollywood's most cherished on-screen couple, Dharmendra and Hema Malini, continue to hold a special place in the hearts of fans, even years after their iconic films together. Recently, a rare and emotional video of the legendary duo surfaced online, instantly drawing attention and sparking waves of nostalgia across social media. In the video, Dharmendra and Hema Malini are seen joyfully grooving to their evergreen song Darya Mein Feng Do Chabi from the 1991 film Aas Paas. The moment feels magical as the two legends, twinning in purple outfits, clap along to the music, smile warmly, and soak in the joy of the song. Their effortless chemistry and infectious energy remind viewers why they were considered one of Bollywood's most beloved pairs. What makes the video even more emotional is the timing. It was recorded just 4 months before Dharmendra's passing in November 2025. At the time, no one could have imagined that this would turn out to be one of Dharmendra's final public moments captured on camera, making the video even more precious for fans and admirers. As the clip spread online, fans were deeply moved. Many flooded the comments section with heartfelt messages. One fan wrote, "Best memorable moments." Another said, "Miss you, Dharmendra ji so much." A third comment read, "Their happy faces are priceless." Another admirer shared, "Aas Paas my most favorite movie in my always favorite jodi in the Bollywood industry." These reactions reflected the deep emotional connection audiences continue to feel toward the legendary duo. Following Dharmendra's death on 24 November, prayer meetings were held in both New Delhi and Mumbai. Family members, close friends, and several prominent Bollywood personalities came together to pay their respects and celebrate the life and legacy of the iconic actor. This resurfaced video stands as more than just a musical moment. It is a reminder of a golden era of cinema, a symbol of enduring love and partnership, and a timeless memory that continues to live on in the hearts of fans across generations.